Hopefully I'm not the only one suffering from hay fever. Welcome back to another YouTube video. Obviously I'm not in my place, I'm at Molly's parents, which is out in the country, which is actually sick. The scenes are mad. Yeah. So in today's video, we're going to be shooting the Audi R8, obviously a POV video. I'll be throwing edits on the screen, a couple of before and afters, etc. Obviously at the end of the video, we'll go through the hashtag Lewis Morris Media, give a shout out to a couple of you photographers out there that are using that hashtag and just, yeah, see what you lot are doing. It's always nice showing other people's photography. So also we're only going to be shooting the R8 in one location because what I want to do is go into Lightroom afterwards and show you how I edit one of the photos. So yeah, sit back, enjoy, get your snacks, whatever. Nice and cloudy, so pretty good conditions. Start with some nice low shots. Oh, that looks sick. Helicopters flying over. Shots in. Like gimbal stands, look at that squat. Jeez! Go for the little detail shots. Nice close-ups of the ceramic brakes. Go get them front shots in. Make sure you turn that CPO. This car looks so good, man. The sun's peeping now. Sweet. Oh, helicopter over there. Cool, time for some rear shots. So shooting at 1/640, f3.2 because I want most of the car pretty much in focus. There's a landscape one. TPO. Gotta get those helicopters in the background. Gotta shoot slightly underexposed just to keep the detail. Man, it looks so good. Oh, two helicopters on top of each other. Fucking hell, man. Mad. Oh, I just put my hand in the ant's nest. Fuck! No, I just got ants all over my camera. Ants in my pants. Yeah, it's literally starting to spit rain, so you do have to be quick. Right, so we're gonna get some interior shots. With interior shots, basically you just got to show off small details like the carbon around the vents, stuff like that. Steering wheel's so sick. Get that stop button. Get all the dash in. Let's get the vents. Speakers. Even carbon around the dash, like these sections. So we've got to get the dials in. Again, carbon detail. Right, so we're just quickly gonna edit 4 of these pictures from the shoot. My base preset is gonna be blue haze. And then obviously that's not looking right. So the temperature needs to be fixed. So bring that down so it's a bit cooler. Reset the exposure and then slightly fix the white balance to how I need it. There, be a little bit cooler. So the two masks we've got are the linear masks at the bottom. So darkening the floor, and then we've got one to minus dehaze the sky. So from here, I'm going to bring up the shadows slightly. Slight mask on the wheels for the shadows. So I'm just going to do this very quickly. And then from here, we'll slightly bring up the shadows just to make the wheels pop a little bit more. And then obviously, if we're going on Instagram, it's going to be 4x5. Going to be the maximum screen. Although at the minute, Instagram, I think, are trying a 16:9 or 9:16 ratio, like Instagram story size, but you can upload it normally. And that's pretty much it. Add a bit more saturation to the blue, bring up the luminance, make sure that blue is actually blue. Oh, purple, alright, turquoise. Yeah, pop the shadows a bit more. And then we've got the before and after. And then all I'm going to do is, because I've selected a couple of other photos, I'm going to basically just press sync. And then from here, you want to do the floor mask, which is mask 1. Mask 2 is the sky mask, aspect ratio. I don't need straight angle or spot removal, synchronize. And then through that, it's going to synchronize your settings and paste it to other photos. Then obviously I did slight adjustments to the other photos. Bring up the shadows here. So press K. We're going to bring up a brush mask, slightly bring up that back end with shadows, make the ray diffuser just pop a little bit more. Before, after, next photo, the rear shot. First thing, straighten it up. Again, as you can see, we've got the rear diffuser slightly underexposed. Press K. We're just going to do a nice strip along here. Very quick. It's not perfect, but there we go. Before, after, side by side. So again, just slight fixes. Bring up the shadows. Yeah, super easy before and after. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Also, my export settings, I'm just going to quickly show you. So I basically go to JPEG. If it's going on Instagram, you're going to limit file size to 3000 kilobytes, which is 3 megabytes. Yeah, choose your location that you want to export it. Image size is just 240. Sharpening's off. Obviously, you can do your watermark if you want to. That's pretty much it. You don't need to do anything special with the export settings. You don't need to like piss about with this resize to fit, all that shit. I don't mess about with that. And yeah, there's the photos exported. Sick. Let's do the outro. Right, so there you got to see one location and then quickly editing some photos. Quick turnaround for a POV video, but I'm going to try and make these a bit more beneficial. So if it's like a street photography one, which is coming at some point, that'll be a bit of a longer video. The car POV ones, I don't want them to drag on too long, even though a lot of people said they don't mind it when it's like 10 minutes or so. Yeah, more videos to come. I need to start working on producing faster videos because I say I'm going to do a video and then it takes too long. Right, so as I was editing, I just realised that I forgot to do the hashtag. So we're going to go through the hashtag Lewis Morris Media. We're just going to go from recent and I'm just going to go down to a couple of pages. Keep this short and sweet. So we've got Abstract Cars and A7iv owners. We've got a pretty sick Evo from Tuna Fest. Nice red one. Gotta love the classic Evos. Very nice picture. And then we've got, oh yes, GT40. McLaren, is that Gallardo? I think so. Aston Martin DB5. Ferrari 458, I think. If I get these wrong, I apologise. But yeah, that's from Jace BTLR. Pretty sick, well done. From Goodwood. Nice picture. Ooh, yes, Dan Clark. I do like dance photos. Photography sick. Bagged S2K. That's sick. Look at the camera. Gotta love that. Sick shot down, well done. So we've got Abstract Cars again, and yeah, that's a pretty nice shot. I like the small little logo you've got at the bottom as well, the little, that's how it should be. We've got a panning shot. Is that L24 DCM? It's a nice shot, nice panning. Same again. Ooh, this is different. I featured this guy on my last video, Nemems Media. You can come by if you want. Just gonna get in the way, it's fine. You can see his, get in the way of the shot, you know. So this guy's from Germany. I like his pictures. Got something different going on. Dan Clark again with the MX-5 Nardo grey wrap or paint. I think it's painted with a massive turbo on. That is actually ridiculous. Drifting, we do like that from Abstract Cars. That's pretty sick. Gracie and Manny 101. Nice set of a twin turbo Hurricane. Sick. Would have been good if you got a rear shot of that. Soto Media, nice set of that bagged Honda. We do like bagged Hondas. That's a cool shot from Aero Visuals. Nice split edit. We've got he did a shot of it with the engine closed and open and then blended it together. I really like that. You don't see that very often. That's a cool shot. Nice split edits. Some good colours in that. Yes, Aero Visuals is actually sick. Dan Clark again, nice splits. Goodwood Festival, of course. I wish I went, but it was so far away, I actually couldn't be bothered to drive. We'll go through a few more. We've got BCL, that B Clarked again, and Edward E36, bagged out. We'll do 2 more from A7iv Photography and Outlaw Racers. I'm guessing it's a classic Porsche with the stopwatches on. Nowhere. So where's the exterior shots? You see? Exteriors, man, missing it. Visuals by Matty, nice R8. And we'll do 1 more. Anna Pixels will finish on this. Will Chombo, nice set from Goodwood. That would have been good if you did the 3 split, but it had different shots instead of 3 of the same picture. Still looks good though. I like that. Yeah, sick. So yeah, now I can do the outro. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe for more, and we'll see you in the next video. Do you want to say anything to the microphone? Say bye.
Bye.